So here I'm taking 21 centimeter of paper sheet, and then I'll be dividing this 21 centimeter of paper sheet into 3 equal halves from each side, which will lead to 9 equal boxes of 7 centimeter. After drawing these 9 boxes, what I'm doing next is I'm drawing a line at the right side of each center box from each side of the square. This step is optional, but I highly recommend it, as this step reduces the chances of any measurement problems. And now we will cut down these extra pieces. We're stepping down into the most important part, that is creasing. You can use scale for the same. After doing so, you can erase all the pencil markings, and after that it's time for pasting. So now we'll put glue on the sides and then we're gonna paste it out. And now in the same manner I'll be putting glue at all the 3 sides and we'll be pasting it out. Completing the pasting, we are ready with our box, and now it's time to make the lid. And for the same, I'm here taking 11 centimeter of square, and then I'm dividing this square into 3 parts of 2 centimeter, 7 centimeter, and again 2 centimeter from each side of the square. Now to explain you, I'm darkening the sides which I'll be cutting out. So after the completion of the cutting, what I'm gonna do is erase the pencil markings, and then I'm gonna crease out the lid. Step of the box or of the lid is pasting the lid out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put glue at each side of the cutting, and then I'm gonna paste it out as shown in the video. So after the completion of the box, you can decorate it with anything. I'm using some artificial flowers to do the same.